turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you must open the car trunk and take out the light block. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Open the trunk and find the plastic butterfly bolt which fastens the lights in place. With the Lineman's pliers, unfix it and finish off the process by hand. The light is held in place by plastic studs encased directly into the car body. With your hands, pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally in line with the car. Take out the power connector. To do this, push on the small plastic tab and simultaneously pull on the terminal. To take out the bulb mount connector board, pull each of the red plastic tabs which fasten everything in place outwards, all while pulling on the connector board. Once free, the two small connectors on the inside must be removed. All you have to do here is pull on the terminal. To replace the bulbs, all you have to do is press down on the bulb and make a quarter turn to the left. This should come out thanks to a spring effect. To put the new ones in, position the bulb studs in front of the holes, push on the bulb and pivot it a quarter turn to the right. Reconnect the two internal connectors to the connector board. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. The tab should open up and let it pass through and close once it's in place. Put the electric connector back into the headlight. Reposition the light in its housing, pushing on it, but being careful not to force too much. Screw the butterfly valve back in and fix it by hand or with pliers. Operation completed.